Welcome back. This is Semi-Finals 2, Tournament 1 on Mount Western Raceway. Let's check out our drivers for today.
First up, we have Po Boy Racing driving the 2008 Lancer. And next up, we have Mark D of CRC Racing driving the Renault Sport.
This is it, folks. It's head-to-head time. The first to win 3 wins a spot in the finals.
Race 1. Winner, Po Boy Racing. Let's go to the replay.
Look at these guys. The Lancer just pushes the Renault out of the way and says, mate, this is on today. Nice line out of turn 1 going down Mount Western Straight. This sets him up beautifully for turn 2. Look how high he comes out of that bank there. Well done, Po Boy Racing, driving the 2008 Lancer. You get the first win in semi-finals 2.
Race 2. Winner, Mark D of CRC Racing. Replay.
Neck and neck going down the back. The Lancer has the advantage going into turn 1. Beautiful line. The Renault's nowhere to be seen and the Lancer has the speed. The Lancer just spins out and look, he's going backwards again. This never... Oh, and he stacks it. Leaves the gate wide open for the Renault. Congratulations, Mark D of CRC Racing. You get your first win in today's semi-final.
Race 3. Winner, Po Boy Racing, driving the 2008 Lancer. Let's go to the replay.
Another tight start up the top. The Lancer just pushes in front of the Renault. Goes down low into turn 1. He's all over the track, the Lancer. I'm surprised he actually won this race. Look at turn 2, up the top, down the bottom. And here is where he won the race and picked up speed. Well done, Po Boy Racing, driving the 2008 Lancer. You score your second win.
Race 4. Winner, Mark D of CRC Racing driving the Renault Sport. Replay.
Look at this cheeky move by the Lancer. Just pushes in front of the Renault and says, mate, I'm taking this out. But it's a Renault Sport all the way. Beautiful line in turn 2, little bit wobbly, sees the finish line and says to Po Boy Racing, take this buddy, it's my second win. Excellent racing here on Mount Western Raceway. Congratulations, Mark D of CRC Racing, you score your second win.
Race 5. Winner, Po Boy Racing, driving the 2008 Lancer. Let's go to the replay.
Wow, what a race. Look at this. Po Boy comes out fast, blocks the Renault. The Renault has no chance of overtaking. Po Boy has the speed going down Mount Western Straight. Beautiful line into turn 2, goes up high, slams down a bit. I'm surprised he didn't go over the track. Sees the finish line and says, mate, I'm into the finals. Congratulations, Po Boy Racing driving the 2008 Lancer. You have just scored yourself a spot in the finals with Turn Tracks Racing. Here's our finalists, Turn Track Racing in the Ford GT and Po Boy Racing in the 2008 Lancer. Commiserations Mark D of CRC Racing in the Renault Sport. We will see you again on Mount Western Raceway. I'm Hot Car Track and this is Diecast Race Wars. Thanks for watching.